Okay students, now we will continue the reading of this chapter once again. Okay, so out there is no man's land we talked of. No man's land means a land which is not occupied by anyone, which is not taken for use. Means if there is rivalry between two parties na, for any land, then that land is not used by anyone, and that land is called no man's land. We talked of Bathsheba. Bathsheba is one of the character of the mythological book Bible. Okay, then and Gabriel Oak. Gabriel Oak is also one of the character of novels. The persons who read the novels na, from that one of the character is Gabriel Oak. And Sergeant Troy. Sergeant Troy is also the one of the fictional character of the book. It is this Bathsheba and Gabriel Oak and Sergeant Troy all are the characters of different books. Okay, and Dorset. Dorset means a Dorset from where the Jim McPherson was belonging. Okay, it is a place name. Now, he had a wife and one son born just 6 months ago. What he said to Mrs. McPherson, that Hans Wolf had a wife and one son. His son was born just 6 months ago. As I look about me, there were hurdles of khaki and grey everywhere, all over no man's land, smoking, laughing, talking, drinking and eating. Means after when they started talking with each other now, all his men were gathered and they were talking and laughing and eating and drinking and sharing their views with each other. Hans Wolf and I share what was left of your wonderful Christmas cake. Connie means he also said to his wife, they both share the Christmas cake with each other. He thought the marzipan. Marzipan is a kind of sweet which is nearly next to the cake. It is made from sugar, egg and almonds. Almonds means badam. Was the best he had ever tasted. I agreed. We agreed both everything, and he was my enemy. They were agreeing to each other, except that they were not the friends, they were the enemies. And then also they were agreed with each other. There never was a Christmas party like it. Connie means he said that he had never had the party in which he had celebrated the Christmas with his enemy. Then someone, I don't know who, brought out a football. Means one of the soldiers brought the football there for playing. Great coats were dumped in piles to make goalpost. Great coat means the coat which they wear na, the long coats which the people wear in winter season. They were dumped means उन्होंने उसी से उसे जो ग्रेट कोट था उसका उन्होंने गोल बनाया, गोल पोस्ट जो होता है उससे उन्होंने बनाया था. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग वी न्यू इट वॉज टॉमी अगेंस्ट फ्रीज. टॉमी एंड फ्रीज आर द names which they call to each other out in the middle of no man's land. Hans Wolf and I looked on and cheered, clapping our hands and stamping our feet to keep out the cold as much as anything, because as it was a very cold evening now, so they were cheering, clapping and stamping their feet to keep the cold away from them. There was a moment when I noticed our breath mingling in the air between us. Mingling means getting mixed. means उनकी जो सांसें थी वो हवा के साथ मिक्स हो रही थी. Mingling in the air between us. He saw it too. Means in winter na we can see when we can see our breath. जैसे ऐसे हाँ करते तो आपके मुंह से जो भाप आती है वो आप बाहर निकलती हुई देख सकते हो ना, जब बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती है. सो ही सेज दैट दे कैन सी द मिंगलिंग ऑफ देयर ब्रीथ इन द एयर. He saw it too and smiled. Jim McPherson, he said after a while, I think this is how we should resolve this war. Means he said that instead of fighting now, we should resolve this war by playing games and football match. No one will die in this football match. Means he said that instead of fighting in which so many people died, now instead of that we should have games, so in that there will be no person will get harmed or no one will get die in that kind of war. No children are orphan means अनाथ हो जाना. अगर कोई नहीं मरेगा तो कोई भी अनाथ नहीं होगा. No wife becomes widow means vidwa. So he said that instead of having fight in the war, we should have a match, football match, in which they can resolve the situation by playing the match, so in which there will be no one will die and there will be no children will get orphaned, or there will be no women will become widows also. I had prefer cricket, I told him. Why he said that he prefer cricket? Because England is the first country who has started playing the cricket. So he said that instead of playing football, we would play cricket. I told him. Then we Tommies could be sure of winning, probably. Means he said that if we play cricket instead of football na, then we would only be the winner. We laughed at that and together we watched the game. Sad to say, Connie, means he was feeling sorry also, and he said that sad to say यानी दुख की बात ये है that Freeze won 2 goals to 1. यानी उनके जो सामने वाले थे उन्होंने 2 गोल से मैच जो था वो जीत लिया.